Unlock the power of annotated charts on TradingView. It's simpler than you think. To start writing on your TradingView charts, locate the Drawing Tools toolbar. It's usually on the left side of your screen. Look for the icon that resembles the letter T or a speech bubble. This is your text drawing tool. Click on it to activate. Once the text tool is active, your cursor will change to indicate it's ready to draw now. Simply click on the exact spot on your chart where you want your text to appear. This could be a specific price level, a trend line, or anywhere you want to add a visual marker. After clicking to place the text box, a blinking cursor will appear inside it. This is where you type your message. You can write anything from a price target, such as resistance at 12,500, to a brief market observation like potential breakout soon. Don't stop at just typing. To customize your text, double-click on the text box you just created. This will open up a formatting panel here. You can change the font size, style, and color to make your annotations stand out. You can also adjust the text alignment and background color for better readability. You can add as many text notes as you need. Use them to mark important support and resistance levels, highlight upcoming economic events, or even jot down your trade ideas and exit plans. This visual annotation is crucial for both personal analysis and for sharing your insights with others in the TradingView community. To reposition your text, simply click and drag the text box to your desired location. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners of the box. This flexibility ensures your annotations are always perfectly placed and clear. Mastering text annotations on TradingView will significantly enhance your chart analysis and communication. It's a fundamental skill that empowers you to analyze with clarity and share your trading journey effectively. Happy trading!